Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about network security and the various aspects of network security. So in computer network, security consists of measures taken by the business or some organizations to monitor and prevent unauthorized access from the outside attackers. So the basic idea of network security is to prevent the unauthorized access in network. Different approaches to computer network security management have different requirements depending on the size of computer network. For example, a home office requires basic network security while large business require high maintenance to prevent the network from malicious attacks. Network administrator controls access to the data and software on the network, and a network administrators assign the user ID and password to the authorized person. So this is the basic and important idea of network security, that assign user ID and password to authorized person, so unauthorized person cannot be able to use the network. Now, aspects of network security. First is privacy. Privacy means both the sender and the receiver expects confidentiality. The transmitted message should be sent only the intended receiver, while the message should be opaque for other users. Opaque means non-transparent. Only the sender and receiver should be able to understand the transmitted message, as eavesdroppers can intercept the message. Therefore, there is a requirement to encrypt the message so that the message cannot intercept it. Eavesdroppers means secretly listening to the communication of others. This aspects of confidentiality is commonly used to achieve secure communication. Message integrity is data integrity means that the data must arrive at the receiver exactly as it was sent. There must be no changes in the data content during transmission, either maliciously or accident in a transit. As there are more and more monetary exchanges over the internet, data integrity is more crucial. The data integrity must be preserved for secure communication. Next is endpoint authentication. Authentication means that the receiver is sure of the sender's identity. Non-repudiation means that the receiver must be able to prove that the received message has come from a specific sender. The sender must not deny sending a message that he or she sent. The burden of proving the identity comes on the receiver. For example, if a customer sends a request to transfer the money from one account to another, the bank must have a proof that the customer has requested for the transactions. Now, the concept of how to achieve privacy has not changed for the thousands of years. The message cannot be encrypted. The message must be rendered as opaque to all the unauthorized parties. A good encryption and decryption technique is used to achieve the privacy to some extent. This technique ensures that the eavesdroppers cannot understand the content of the message. Encryption means that the sender converts the original information into another form and sends the unintelligible message over the network. And decryption means reverse the encryption process in order to transform the message back to the original form. The data which is to be encrypted at the sender side, is known as plain text, and the encrypted data is known as ciphertext. The data is decrypted at the receiver side. This the process of encryption and decryption of data is known as cryptography. There are two types of encryption and decryption techniques: privacy with secret key and privacy with the public key. In secret key encryption decryption technique, the same key is used to both the parties. The sender uses the secret key to encrypt algorithm to encrypt data, and the receiver uses the key and decryption algorithm to decrypt the data. In secret key encryption decryption technique, the algorithm used for encryption is the inverse of the algorithm used for decryption. It means that if the encryption algorithm uses a combination of addition and multiplication, then the decryption algorithm uses the combination of subtraction and division. The secret key encryption algorithm is also symmetric encryption algorithm because the same secret key is used in bidirectional communication. In secret key encryption decryption algorithm, the secret code is used by the computer to encrypt the information before it is sent over the network to another computer. The secret key requires that we should know which computers are taking to each other so that we can install the key on each computer. So these were the aspects of network security.